Hi, we're back, guys. Sorry, we had a malfunction here. Okay, so, ooh, it feels so squishy. That's cool. When you take it out, it returns back to normal. So I guess it's really magic sand. Oops. Oh, that's cool. Okay, enough playing with it. Okay, it says after you've poured it, to pour out the water and your sand is dry. Amazing. Okay, let's see. Get a little bowl. Okay. So let's see. Oh, that is so cool. It is dry. That is really amazing sand. You guys are witnessing, this is really amazing sand. But underwater, it's still...
Oh, sparkly.
Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Alrighty. So now this amazing sand has restored my faith in the Adventure Club kit. Again, this is 10 science experiments in one kit. So this is the second one, and so far this one is really cool. So please stay tuned for the rest of the science experiments. If you like the videos, please subscribe and share.